Your heart beats about 100,000 times today. Your lungs will move over 11,000 liters of air. Your brain will fire trillions of electrical signals, and none of it requires conscious thought. The human body is not just alive, it is the most complex machine ever built. Welcome to Mattermosaic, piecing together the universe, one discovery at a time. Today, we step inside the human body as a living machine, a system shaped by 4 billion years of evolution, where chemistry becomes motion, electricity becomes thought, and microscopic structures sustain an entire conscious life. This is not a metaphor. Biology follows rules as precise as physics. Life on Earth began at least 3.8 billion years ago, preserved in isotopic signatures found in ancient Greenland rocks. For more than 2 billion years, single-celled organisms dominated the planet. Then, around 600 million years ago, multicellular life emerged, and with it came specialization. Different cells performed different tasks. This long evolutionary experiment produced systems that work together, not by design, but by refinement. Every structure that remains exists because it solved a problem better than the alternatives. Inside the adult human body are approximately 37 trillion cells. Each one operates like an automated factory. DNA stores instructions, ribosomes assemble proteins, and mitochondria convert chemical energy into ATP, the fuel that powers nearly every biological process. Your body produces and consumes roughly its own weight in ATP every single day, an invisible economy running without pause. As cells organize into tissues, tissues into organs, and organs into systems, scale transforms function. The cardiovascular system alone contains over 100,000 kilometers of blood vessels, enough to circle Earth more than twice. At its center, the heart acts as a pressure-driven pump, with 4 chambers, 1 directional valves, and a rhythm set by electrical signals generated in the sinoatrial node. When William Harvey described blood circulation in London in 1628, the human body shifted from mystical vessel to mechanical system, governed by discoverable laws. Yet no machine functions without control. That role belongs to the nervous system. Neurons transmit information through electrochemical impulses, with action potentials traveling up to 120 meters per second. Within your brain are around 86 billion neurons, mapped in unprecedented detail by modern neuroscience initiatives such as the Human Connectome project, launched in 2009. But electrical signals are only half the story. Alongside them, the endocrine system releases chemical messengers into the bloodstream. Hormones regulate growth, metabolism, stress, and sleep. Adrenaline accelerates the heart within seconds. Insulin controls blood glucose after every meal. Melatonin aligns your internal clock with the rising and setting of the sun. One system acts fast and electrical, the other slow and chemical, together maintaining homeostasis. The delicate balance that keeps cells alive despite constant change. Unlike any human-built machine, this one can repair itself. Skin renews every 2 to 3 weeks. Red blood cells are replaced roughly every 120 days. The liver can regenerate lost tissue, a phenomenon recognized in ancient Greek medical writings and confirmed through modern biology. But self-repair has limits. DNA replication introduces errors. Telomeres shorten with age. When control systems fail, cancer can emerge. When repair mechanisms fall behind, neurodegeneration appears. The very complexity that allows life to flourish also makes it fragile. The human body does not defy physics. It obeys it with extraordinary precision. Pressure gradients move blood. Diffusion moves oxygen. Electrical potentials generate thought. No system exists in isolation, and no part can be removed without consequence. You are not a consciousness riding inside a machine. You are the machine itself, a living network of matter and energy, briefly organized, temporarily aware, and constantly changing. Every breath you take, every heartbeat you feel, and every memory you form is proof that matter can awaken and understand itself. This is Mattermosaic, piecing together the universe, one discovery at a time. If you want to explore how biology, physics, and consciousness intertwine, subscribe and continue the journey. Because the most extraordinary machine in the universe is the one asking these questions.